What's up guys, welcome back to another video, another subie video. Today we got another part from TBW. I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks. I guess it was on back order, so I'm mostly a whole month waiting for this, so I can't wait to throw it on. So I'm lifting up the car now, and then I'm gonna take off that old plastic piece and throw that one away and then install this new one. But yeah, let me just open the box up really quick just to see how it looks, and I can show you guys how it looks outside the box, okay? Alright guys, got it out of the box and it comes really well packaged. It's a saran wrap coating, saran wrapped. I got the black one, glossy black I think. But yeah, comes with this one, it says STI on there, and then those two little side pieces and some hardware. So yeah, I'm gonna install this, take out the old one, and then yeah, so pretty much that's it. So after I install it, I'll let you guys know how good it fits compared to that plastic piece that's under the car right now. The only reason why I got this is because it's metal, protects the engine obviously, or aluminum or whatever, and also because it has these little doors that you can just open up to do the oil changes and stuff, so you don't have to take out the whole plastic piece every time you change the oil. So, and I do a lot of oil changes. I do it myself on the car, so this will really help. So make it a little quicker, you know. So yeah, that's the only reason why I got it. I got it in black because the red one was just stand out too much, you know. And my car is pretty much silver black. I know I got a little bit of red accents in there, but I don't know. I think black is gonna look good under the car. So yeah, let me just install this and then we'll take a look under the car when it's done. All right, guys. Well, before I remove this plastic piece, this is what it looks like. This is gonna be replaced with that metal one. So yeah, I'm gonna install this really quick. It should be fairly easy. I'm not 100% sure how it goes though. I think it comes with instructions in the box, so I'm gonna look at those and then yeah, just pop them in and be done with this little mod I've been waiting for a while. So yeah, it's gonna look really clean under here. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with the install. I did have to look up a YouTube video because they don't have any instructions on how to do it. mywrxchannel had a pretty easy way to install this, so I followed his step-by-steps and got it on. So let me just go over what you need to do so it can be the same. I mean, unless you want to look up WRX's video. But yeah, so basically it's the two 10 millimeters. There's a bunch of 10 millimeters, so there's two that go on that little side panel. There's two that go right here that connect to this part right here, this metal, this little side piece that goes right there, and then that one's held up by a 10 millimeter bolt up there next to the. Let me see if I can just look it up. All right, so 10 millimeter bolt right there, the ground wire. So it's held up by that, and then you got the 10 over here on each side, so they're both the same on each side, and then there's one more 10 right here. So these ones already have the U-clips, and then this one you need to put a U-clip facing up towards the car so the bolt can screw onto the U-clip. So there's one there, and then there's one that goes right here in front of the bumper. On the bumper inside there's a U-clip that goes there, and the screw goes there, and same thing for the other side. So, and then there's a, what is it, I think it was a 13 millimeter bolt that screws onto the original spots the old ones used to screw into. So it comes with all the hardware, so everything's all lined up perfectly. There's these pop clips that go right here. Looks really good. I mean, can't really see it because it's too dark, but it looks really nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, let me show you how these little doors, the little side doors, look when you pop for the oil pan. So let me show you these ones right here. You just take them off. There's one. And there's two. Oil filter. You just put it back on. Same bolts. Then you just bolt it back on. So that's your filter. And then your... Alright, so that door just pops right off, guys. And there's your oil drain plug. And you can easily get oil out. I mean, if you have the bolt, I mean, you might have to take it. I don't know how you're gonna do it because the bolt's right here. So, I mean, it'll still leak out this way. So, I'm pretty sure you could do it. So, that's pretty much how that one goes. Alright, guys. Well, that settles this video. Pretty easy to install. Perfect fitment. Everything just went on perfectly. I had no issues whatsoever. And yeah, and it looks good. Gloss black. I had a little bit of scratches, and then I made some more scratches. So, but oh well, you know, it's going under the car, so obviously it's gonna get more scratches than that. So I'm not too worried about it, other than the fact that it's easier to change the oil now and the filters. So as I showed you, those doors that just pop off with two couple millimeter, 10 millimeter screws, and you'll be able to do that. So it just makes the oil changes a lot quicker, and that's pretty much why I wanted it, because the other one I had to take a bunch of clips off and a couple bolts, and that was just kind of tedious. So now they made it a lot easier for me.